In this number, we are being required to find the value of x using logarithms. So in using logarithms here, to find the value of x, we are going to introduce logarithm of base 10 on both sides of this equation. So we shall introduce log this way and log that way, and we proceed. So this is going to become the logarithm to base 10 of 3 to the power x is going to be equal to the logarithm to base 10 of 6. So definitely, of course, this x will come right there. It becomes x times the log of 3 is going to give us the logarithm of 6. So x will become log of 6, divide that by logarithm of 3. So our answer here will be 1.63. Still, we are required to use logarithms to find the value of x here. We are going to do it like before. We are introducing logarithms to base 10 on both sides of this equation, so it's going to become the log of 0.176 to the power x is going to give us the log of 0.415. So this value of x gets there, so it becomes x times the log of 0.176 being equal to the log of 0.415. When you divide both sides by the log of 0.176, this goes with that. You remain with the value of x as you get 0.5062. We are required to solve here for the value of x using logarithms. Again, we are going to introduce logs on both sides. So this is going to become the log of 5 to the power 3x plus 3 is giving us the log of 9 to the power x minus 4. This becomes 3x plus 3 times the log of 5 being equal to x minus 4 times the logarithm of 9. When we open brackets here, it's going to become 3x log of 5 plus, this times that is 3 log of 5 is going to give us this times that, which is x times the log of 9 minus 4 the log of 9. So we shall collect like terms. We shall put those terms that are having unknowns on one side of the equation and those terms that do not have unknowns on another side of the equation. So in this case, we require this to get that way. So it's going to become 3x times the log of 5. When this one comes this way, it becomes minus x. The log of 9 is going to be equal to, here we have negative 4 log of 9. Then this one also needs to go that way, this one. So it's minus 3 times the log of 5. So here we factorize out x. So x is outside the brackets into 3 times the log of 5 minus log of 9 is going to give us, this is negative 4 log of 9 minus 3 log of 5. So when we make x the subject of the formula here, we shall remain with, when we make x the subject of the formula here, we shall remain with x being equal to this, which is negative 4, the logarithm of 9 minus 3, the log of 5, divide all that by 3. Log of 5 minus log of 9. And our value of x here will be